Solar wind joy is a technical indicator comprised of bullish, green, zone and bearish, red, zone. It is an oscillator that attempts to forecast the trend reversal and also tells you the strength of trend. The solar wind joy indicator can be used for trading forex, stocks, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies and any other trading instrument that you can load in your trading platform. What is solar wind joy indicator? The solar wind joy indicator is a histogram forex trading indicator. It is displayed on the chart in a separate window. It gives a clear signal on the chart in first glance, but it is not necessary that such signals are always working. There are two variations in the solar wind joy indicator, repainting and non-repainting. The non-repainting indicator does not redraw and can help to give a clear picture of the trend. It is useful to learn about the key features of the indicator in order to use it well. The solar wind joy indicator helps to let you know the strength of buyers and sellers. The red bars of the histogram indicate that the sellers are in control, while green bars of histogram show that the bulls are in control. How to use solar wind joy indicator. The solar wind joy indicator can be used in various ways like any other oscillator. The indicator is not only used for seeking trend signals, but it is also used for exiting the trades based on strength of the trend. It can be used in following ways. Zero line. The zero line is a decisive level in the indicator. It tells you the existing trend and the extent of the trend. If the histogram bar is above the zero line, it shows green color and is considered a bullish trend. Here, we may look for a buying opportunity. Similarly, the red-colored histogram bar shows that the trend is bearish and we may look for a selling opportunity. Using extremes, you can use the extremes of the indicator histograms for exiting trades or even finding new trading opportunities as well. It is almost the same as using the oversold and overbought conditions. We can look for a selling opportunity when the green histograms are at extreme and then start declining. Similarly, we can look for buying opportunities when the red histograms start shrinking and the indicator line turns upward. Solar wind joy indicator trading strategy. The indicator applies a 10-day period price monitoring system that closely observes the changes in price action, accumulates the price data, and transforms them into simple trade signals. All you need to do is to keep an eye on the indicator value. The value turns positive and the bars turn into green color when it is a bullish trend of the market. On the other hand, the bars turn into red color carrying negative value signals for the bearish market trend. The indicator value stands at the zero level means the market is sidelined or there is no market trend. If you counter an opposite trend signal to your trade entry, you may consider it as a trade exit indication. We can combine the solar wind joy indicator with any other confirmatory tool to trade. We are presenting a straightforward strategy that is standalone using the solar wind joy indicator. Solar wind joy indicator buy strategy. The histogram bar should cross above the zero line closing the green bar. Wait for the price bar to close bullish and then enter the trade. Place the stop loss around the recent swing low. Exit when the green histogram bars start shrinking and the indicator line directs downward. Solar wind joy indicator sell strategy. The histogram bar should cross below the zero line closing the red bar. Wait for the price bar to close bearish and then enter the trade. Place the stop loss around the recent swing high. Exit when the red histogram bars start shrinking and the indicator line directs upward. Solar wind joy indicator MT4 forecasts the trend reversal and reveals the strength of a trend. It has two zones: bearish red, bullish green. Technical analysis of solar wind joy assists traders with the correct data from various technical metrics to safeguard their decision. It is used for trading forex, stocks, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, and any other trading instrument that you can load in your trading platform. What is the solar wind joy indicator? This is a histogram forex trading indicator. It is a set of advanced indicators that illustrate the level of support and resistance, dynamism, and trend orientation. There are two types of solar wind joy indicator: repainting, non-repainting. Non-repainting does not redraw and can help to give a clear picture of the trend. Solar wind joy helps to reveal the strengths of buyers and sellers. It is beneficial to know about the main aspects of the indicator to utilize it effectively. The histogram's red bearish bars indicate that the sellers